Hey, I'm Paport, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. In that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, opening doors to financial opportunities they never thought was possible. Not only have I shown people how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free, but I've also helped countless individuals save big on holidays and make credit work for them, not against them. And here's the kicker: I've been able to help multiple people secure funding in over hundreds of thousands, even as young as 19 years old. With the right strategy, anything is possible. If you're ready to take control of your credit, unlock massive rewards, and access funding that can change your life, you're in the right place. So let's make it happen. Now imagine waking up, checking your credit card account and seeing your limit double overnight. More spending power, a better credit score, and easier loan approvals, all because of a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I doubled my credit limit in just 30 days. Even if you've been denied in the past, these are proven strategies that credit card companies don't openly talk about, but they work. And I'll break it all down step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to take action and increase your credit limit. Stick around because I'll also share some expert level hacks that could help you go from a £5,000 limit to a £20,000 limit in just a few months. Step number 1 is why a high credit limit is important. Before we jump into the strategy, let's talk about why this even matters. A higher credit limit isn't just about spending more, it's about financial power. Here's how it benefits you. Your credit utilization ratio is one of the biggest factors in your credit score. For example, if you have a £5,000 limit and spend £2,500, that's 50% utilization, which hurts your score. But if your limit is £10,000, that same £2,500 is now just 25% utilization, which improves your credit score. The lower your utilization, the better your credit score, easier loans and mortgage approvals. Banks love customers with high credit limits because it shows you're financially responsible. If you want a mortgage, a car loan, or a personal loan, a higher credit limit can help you qualify for better rates, more rewards points, and cashbacks. Higher limits mean more room to earn rewards without hurting your credit. You can maximize your points, get free flights, hotel stays, and cashbacks without worrying about going over your limit. It can also act as an emergency protection. Having a high limit can act as a financial safety net, so if you need to cover a big unexpected expense, you won't max out your cards instantly. Now, the second step is understanding the best time to request a credit limit increase. Timing is everything. If you request too soon, your bank might reject you. The best time to request a credit limit increase is after 3 to 6 months of consistent payments. Banks like history. Right after a salary increase is also a great time because higher income equals a higher limit. Now, when your credit score improves, that's also a great time to apply because above 700 score makes approval a lot easier. After reducing your debt also is a great time to apply because low balances show responsible credit usage. And finally, when your card provider offers you an automatic increase, bloody take it. Why not? Now, pro tip from me to you is to avoid requesting an increase right after large purchases or when you're carrying a high balance because it makes you look financially needy and risky. Step number 3 is understanding the 5-step strategy to double your credit limit, and I'm gonna give you all 5 steps right now. Step number 1 is paying on time and in full. The easiest way to prove you deserve a higher limit is by always paying on time. Set up autopay to avoid missing payments. Even one late payment can make your bank hesitant to increase your credit limit. Step number 2 is increase your income. at least on paper. When you request a credit limit increase, your bank often asks for your income. That can include all sources of income, being a side hustle, freelancer work, or even investments. Higher reported incomes equal higher approved credit limits. And step 3 is keeping your credit utilization below 30%. If your balance is too high, banks won't increase your limit. Keep your utilization under 30% before requesting an increase. A little hack is to pay down your balance before your statement closes so it reports lower utilization. Now, step number 4 is asking at the right time and using the right method. There's 2 ways to go about it: online requests and calling a representative. Now, when you do it online, you get faster approvals but lower increases. When you actually call a representative, you get better chances of larger increases if you state your case well. What to say when you're calling up is that I've been a responsible card holder for X amount of months, I've always paid on time, and my income has increased. I'd love to increase my credit limit to better manage my expenses. Can you approve an increase to X amount of money? Step number 5, and the final step, is to use multiple cards to your advantage. If you have multiple credit cards, request increases from different banks all at the same time. Most banks won't see the other requests, so you can increase your total credit limit a lot faster this way. If your request gets denied, don't panic. It's not the end of the world. And here's how to recover it. Find out why, call and ask what factors led to my request being denied. Fix the issue. If it's utilization, pay down your balance. If it's income, wait until you can report higher numbers. Try again in 90 days. Most banks allow every 3 to 6 months to reconsider opening a new card. Sometimes a new card boosts your overall limit faster than waiting around. Now I'm gonna go through some of the next steps for you personally. Doubling your credit limit is possible in 30 days if you follow the steps that I gave. And a quick recap is to literally pay on time and in full, report your highest possible income, keep your credit utilization low, request at the right time using the best methods, and leverage multiple cards for bigger increases. Now, a bonus hack for those of you that made it this far into the video: if you really want to maximize your credit limits, here's an extra strategy. Apply for business credit cards. Even if you don't own a business, you can get a business card as a freelancer or a sole trader. Business credit limits are often much higher than your personal cards. This gives you a second source of high credit limits without affecting your personal credit score. This method has helped me and thousands of others increase their credit limits ridiculously fast. If you follow these steps, your credit limit will increase, guaranteed. Now go request that credit limit increase and start building your financial future. Now, having a high credit limit is just the beginning, guys, and that's exactly why I've put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to know to maximize your credit journey. So check this video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button for more finance and credit hacks, and I'll see you in the next video. And also comment down below if you've tried this and let me know if you get any results.